When it comes to managed WordPress hosting, the options can be overwhelming, especially when comparing two of the biggest names in the game, WP Engine and Kinsta. But which one is truly the best for your website? In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about these two hosting providers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can make the best decision for your WordPress site. Let's start with WP Engine. One of the first things you'll notice is its reputation for high-quality customer service. With a team available 24/7, they're always ready to jump in if you need help. That being said, their pricing can be a bit steep compared to others in the market. If you're on a tight budget or just starting, you might feel the pinch here. Next, the performance of WP Engine. Speed is crucial when it comes to WordPress hosting, and WP Engine doesn't disappoint. Their servers are optimized for WordPress, and these built-in caching and a CDN to speed up your site. However, some users have mentioned that WP Engine can struggle with handling large traffic spikes without a little extra cost. Moving on to Kinsta. Kinsta offers many of the same perks as WP Engine, especially in the performance department. Their servers also feature automatic caching and a CDN for fast loading times. What sets Kinsta apart, though, is their cutting-edge technology and use of Google Cloud's network for hosting. This can mean better scalability, particularly for high-traffic sites, but it also comes at a price. Kinsta's plans are equally expensive, sometimes more, depending on the level of service you need. Next thing, let's talk about user experience. WP Engine has a slightly easier user interface, making it more approachable for beginners. It's clean, intuitive, and straightforward, which is great for those who might not be as tech-savvy. Kinsta, on the other hand, offers a more advanced dashboard with a few more customization options. This is great for users who know what they're doing and need more control, but it can be a bit overwhelming for newbies. The fourth thing to consider is backup and security features. Both WP Engine and Kinsta excel in this area, offering daily backups and automatic updates. However, Kinsta goes a step further with free malware removal and hack fixes, while WP Engine charges extra for some of these features. Security is obviously a big deal when it comes to hosting your WordPress site, and it's worth considering these differences. And let's not forget the pricing structure. WP Engine has 4 main plans, starting with a basic plan that could fit small sites. However, their higher tier plans get quite pricey, especially when you need additional resources like more sites or storage. Kinsta's pricing starts off similarly, but the real kicker is that they charge more for each site you add to your account, making it pricier in the long run for multi-site WordPress owners. But here's the thing. While both WP Engine and Kinsta are solid options for managed WordPress hosting, they can both feel like they're overcharging for what you get. If you're looking for a more affordable, feature-rich, and scalable solution, there's a better alternative out there. After trying both of these services myself, I found that the best solution for managed WordPress hosting is a platform that offers all the features you need without the extra costs or complexity. So, if you want a more cost-effective, reliable option with better features, check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive free trial. With our link, you'll get the best trial offer and unique benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Make sure to take advantage of it.